Hey, Buzzard, I hope you can hear me. Well, wait a minute. Did you say, hey, Buzzard, come back with your location, Breaker?
Hey, Switchblade, I said I'm up around. Who said I can't key on your ass county? No doubt about it, Switchblade. That's what I said. Hey, Switchblade, this is what I tell them boys, because they say I'm a mud duck. But I tell them in a minute I live up around. Who said I can't key on your ass, Switchblade, your buzzard? Switchblade, your buzzard up around. Who said I can't key on your ass? And I just bank left.
Hey, brother, you too damn loud. Condition over now, though. Condition over now. You come out the gate smoking, but man, you ain't smoking. Hey, Buzz, hold up. You said they call you a mud dog. Yeah, they call me the same thing. So maybe we're the same family. We gotta check our roots. Hey, Buzzer, you said they call you a mud dog, but you said you coming out of. You said you coming out of. Well, anyway, I can't get it right, though, Buzzer. But I promise you at the end, sound like you said. You broadcasted out of who said what? You can't see a flower in their butt. You said, I think that's wrong. Hold up. You said somebody black ass or something. Buzzard, I don't curse anymore, Baker.
And that right, know that about it, Switchblade. Hey, Switchblade, I know you got selective hearing. You ain't got to cuss. Ass ain't no bad word. Because you know your mama used to tell you, boy, if you don't quit, then I'm going to beat your ass. That's what she said. And that ain't no cuss word, according to mama. Because mama say she ain't cutting. She doing the Lord's work. Hello to you, Switchblade. Your Northwest Corner biggest duck, your buzzard up around. Who said I cannot key on your ass and I just banked left?
Now, by George, I think I got it. Hey, Buzzer, you summed it up right, but I'm just trying to clean my act up. I've been saying ass, hell, and down for years, but them guys said Switchblade was cursing. All three words I've been using. I'm not using them in the biblical model, but I've been using ass, hell, and down for years. They said Switchblade nasty mouth. Switchblade out there cursing. Switchblade nasty mouth. They Buzzer. Especially it's a chicken over here. I got a chicken over here by me. Oh, hell, there you go. Switchblade cursing. All I said, ass, hell, and down. I don't say the S-O-B, the M-F. Hey, Buzzer, I understand what you said, but now I forgot what the hell you said. Who said you can't key on your black ass? Hey, Buzzer, Breaker?
And that right, you got it. Hey, Switchblade, it could be a white ass too. Hey, Switchblade, it could be a white ass too. Hey, Switchblade, you know what I'm saying? Who said I can't key on your ass? County, you know I ain't racist, man, but it's black ass, white ass, green ass, blue ass. Hello to you, Switchblade, once again, man. I hope your summer going well. Hey, Switchblade, I'm about to get on out there and leave it alone, man, because you know how you is, Switchblade. You know you'll tell a lie in a minute, it won't even on up to it. Hello to you once again, Switchblade, your buzz of Northwest Corner, and I bang.
That don't sound right. You calling me a professional lawyer. Hey, brother, that don't sound right. Don't say, just say I'll make a mistake or I'll twist it up. Don't call me a professional lawyer. Hey, brother, you know what a liar is, don't you? A liar is a professional lawyer. Take care, one white brother. I wish you well. Switchblade, get down.
And Switchblade, with that note, Switchblade, is always a pleasure. Switchblade, your buzzard up around. Who said I cannot key on your ass county and I just banked live?
No copy, no get back on that bus. Yeah, somebody on the mall right now tell me they're coming out of the Northwest Corner, Oregon. But you killed on his ass. I don't know what color he is now. Hey, Buzzer. Hey, Buzzer, you said, he said, you killed anybody's ass. You ain't prejudiced over that for Catholic show. When you were a kid, I was right around Northwest Corner, Oregon. I don't want to cut his ass in, but you killed his ass. So I can't say black or white. All I know, you killed his ass all day and all night. Oh, yeah. Hey, Mr. Clarence C. Carter, Drill Sergeant Natchez, Mississippi, getting down.
Somebody tell Clarence I said hello. Somebody tell Clarence I said hello, man. I'm gonna get right back up here, man, and sit on this Duck Shuck and Post show ears, man, and see what's up. You know the buzzard's full when he's not circling show ears. Hey, Switchblade, you tell that Duck Sugar Clan C. Carter that I said hello, and the band is his. Switchblade, your northwest corner biggest duck, your buzzard. And I just banked left.
You tell him, hell, I can't hear him. I don't know who that was. You said tell Claire C. Carter. Wait a minute, hold up, man. Claire C. Carter's some kin to me. He's my kid, and you my friend. Now, hey, I ain't heard no Claire C. Carter. You know on the side, cat, nigga. You talk to him. You closer to him than I am. Take care, bro. You later, brother. Switchblade, later.
And that's a brother right, Switchblade, no doubt about it. All right, Switchblade, let me get out of the way, man. Hey, Switchblade, let me get right out of the way, man, because them boys don't think they can transmit while I'm out there, because I said, who said? Shit! Switchblade, I can't kill in your ass county, and I bank good day.
Who said I can't kill in your ass county? Who's the governor? Who's the supervisor of your county? Who's the county? And then, boy, you got a hammer down. Who said he can't kill nobody's ass? The hell you preach? You kill on everybody's ass right now. You got me saying the A-word. Take that point later, Switchblade later.
Hey, Switchblade, I'm the governor, I'm the senator, and I'm the president of who said I can't kill in your ass county. As I go home, Switchblade, all I can say to you is, good day.
I ain't gonna lie to you, you got a hammer now. I heard you earlier, man, you didn't have no good condition. But man, Mother Nature's all in your face. I mean, in your favor, What did I say? I think I should. Hey, boss up. One of the days, one day, man, Mother Nature all over you and that the cat nigga should take care of good day.